In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Gmail accounts. By the end, you'll have your messages, contacts, and calendar events flowing into one place, and you'll even be able to send mail from your old address without switching tabs. Start in your old Gmail account, click the settings gear in the upper right, and select See All Settings. Open the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab, then click Add a Forwarding Address. Enter your new Gmail address. Gmail will send a confirmation to that second inbox, so switch to your new account. Open the confirmation email and approve it. Back in your old account's forwarding settings, decide what should happen to messages after they're forwarded. You'll see four choices: keep a copy in the inbox, mark the copy as read, archive it, or delete it. To start safely, choose keep or mark as read so you can confirm everything is working before you hide or remove anything. Don't forget to click Save Changes at the bottom if you want to send emails from your old address while signed in to your new account. Go to Settings in your new account and open Accounts and Import. In the Send Mail As section, click Add Another Email Address. Type your old address and leave Treat as an alias checked. A quick verification email will be sent. Once you verify, you'll be able to pick either address from the From menu whenever you compose a message. Next, let's bring over your emails and contacts. Still in your new account, on the Accounts and Import tab, click the Import Mail and Contacts link. Enter your old Gmail address in the pop-up and click Continue. Sign into your old account and click Allow to let the Gmail Shuttle Cloud migration tool access your mail and contacts. Choose your import options and click Start Import. This can take hours or even days, depending on the size of your mailbox, so be patient. Messages will appear gradually. Your new account will also create a label for imported mail so you can find it easily. Finally, import your calendar. In your old account, open Calendar from the Google Apps icon. Click the Settings gear, choose Settings, then in the left pane, select Import and Export and click Export. A zip file downloads with your iCalendar ICS files. Extract it. In your new Google account, open Calendar Settings, choose Import and Export, click Select File from your computer, pick the ICS file and import. The import button will be grayed out while it processes. Once it's available again, check your calendar to confirm everything arrived. And that's it. Get ready to say goodbye to endlessly toggling between your Gmail accounts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials.